I will show you now how you can restart an app. Let's say ForPass on your car screen crashed because maybe you can't find a fuel station or something. I just open a different app, like here the tire pressure monitoring system. Now the ForPass is down here. I can close it off in holding my finger on it and swipe it down like this. Now it's gone, and as you see, it's also not here in the menu option anymore. So what I do now, if I want to reopen it, I press here my profile icon, and here you can find ForPass. You open ForPass and the app opens up again. I mean, same with any other app. Let's say my tire pressure monitoring system crashes. I just open another app. Tire pressure is down here again. I can swipe it down here. Now the tire pressure is gone. I want to reopen it again here. Press up here. Find the tire pressure monitoring system, press it, and it reboots again. That works with every app like that. It works with the phone, with the navigation system, with anyone.